Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Robert Canter, and today I've got another Wonka Bar for you. On a hot summer day, few things sound as good as a nice cold orange creamsicle. So I can't see any reason why it wouldn't be a flavor for one of Willy Wonka's 200 variations of the Wonka Bar. Unlike some of the other flavors I have in mind, orange extract is actually very easy to find and can probably be located at your local grocery store. Friendly reminder, if the chocolate is on the pot boiler for too long or if it's too hot, you're going to ruin it. I've been having the best results bringing the water to boil on medium-high heat and then reducing to simmer and just letting it sit for 3 minutes before adding the chocolate. One other thing, do not mix red and yellow food coloring. The result will come out looking more red than orange. Remember, the first bite is with the eye. Follow these instructions and you'll do just fine. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, then click the links in the description below and buy my books.